Hello again, as always, it is me, Inda Sari from ONEderland Consulting. I have over 10 years experience as a migration agent and was once a migrant myself, which gives me a unique insight into the migration process. Please like this video and click subscribe to get all the summaries of Australian immigration content and updates. As you might have noticed that the Australian government endorsed COVID-19 pandemic subclass 408 visa will close for new application in February 2024. Following this update, we have received many inquiries about the option of next visa that can be applied for. If you are in the situation where you need information on visa options to extend your stay in Australia before your COVID-19 pandemic visa expires, this video is for you. I will give you a brief but detailed information about the possible options you may consider. Be noted that you must consider your current circumstances when deciding which option might suit you the best. First of all, let's discuss about the update. So the Australian government has announced to close the COVID-19 pandemic event visa subclass 408 from new application in February 2024. It considers that COVID-19 pandemic is no longer relevant to current situation in Australia. However, the Australian government still opens to receive extension application of COVID-19 pandemic event visa existing holders since 2nd of September this year. The existing holders will be given only 6 months period from the date of visa grant. With this update, we can see the scheme will be like this. From 2nd of September this year to 31st of January 2024, only existing COVID-19 pandemic event visa holders are eligible for the COVID-19 pandemic event visa extension. If you have a COVID-19 visa which expire date is at least 28 days before or after 31st of January 2023, then you might still be eligible to apply for an extension as long as you apply for it before 1st February 2024. If your COVID-19 visa expired on or after 1st of February 2024, it means you're no longer able to extend your COVID-19 pandemic event visa because the government will not accept application from new or existing holder of COVID-19 pandemic event visa. In these circumstances, you have two options. First, prepare your departure to your home country before February 2024. Or second, find the best visa option for you so you can extend your stay after February 2024. For this matter, I will give you a brief but detailed insight about the options you may consider to extend your stay. I will divide the option into two circumstances. The first one, possible option for you who are under 45 years old with higher education qualifications and relevant work experience. Second, possible option for you who are under 45 years old without higher education qualifications and relevant work experience. Let's begin with the option for you who fall for the first circumstances. If you fall for the first circumstances, the chance for you to extend your stay will be varied. You may be able to extend your stay by applying for other work visa, which has longer stay period. If you have a potential sponsor, you may be eligible for the employer-sponsored scheme visa, like TSS 482 visa or 494 visa. However, if you don't have any potential sponsor, you may consider other work visa with point-based, like subclass 491 visa, 189 or 190 visa. Lodging for the point-based or employer-sponsored visa might be quite crucial at this stage, considering that you only have 6 months left before the COVID-19 pandemic event visa closed for new applications. However, it does not mean it's impossible. Therefore, it is best to start looking and preparing for your next visa option immediately, considering the long and complex process of these visas. You may also consider to launch other visa applications while you are waiting for an invitation awaiting for your nomination to be approved. Depending on your eligibility, occupation, and purpose of stay, you may also consider applying for other stream of subclass 408. Then, if you fall for the second circumstances, which you don't have higher education qualifications or relevant work experience, student visa might be the possible option for you. It considers that the student visa will help you to gain higher education qualification in Australia and work experience at the same time. Gaining these two aspects will help you to move to the next visa application, which may lead you to Australian permanent residency. There are many things that should be considered before applying for a student visa. It's best to question yourself the following. What is your financial situation in Australia? Does it allow you to take a certificate, qualification, or even bachelor degree in Australia? What degree that probably suits you, interests, and help you to stay longer, or even to get Australian permanent residency? Do you have strong ties to your home country? Answering these questions might be confusing for you. If you are in this situation, it's always the best for you to seek for professional advice, so you won't fall for the wrong decision, especially when tight timeline is what you are dealing with. Don't ever take your chance for granted. ONEderland Consulting is always here and ready to ease your concern about Australian visa applications. You can find our contact details on our description box and pinned in the comment. Our consultant will gladly assist you with your visa inquiries. And it will be our pleasure to assist you in extending your stay in Australia or with other type of Australian visas. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content and all the latest immigration and visa updates in Australia with us. I'm Melinda Sari from ONEderland Consulting. See you in another challenge.